If you love Princess House and you want to get great discounts on your products, this is the video you want to see. My name is Linda Bradley, and I have been with Princess House for over 40 years. You can join the company for $0 down. You don't have to buy a kit. You can sign up immediately, get your ID number, and all of your digital supplies to start working the business. Contact personal friends and family, or use the internet like I do to reach your customers. More people are cooking than ever before, and they need quality products. As a Princess House consultant, you get huge discounts on your products. And every month when new specials come out, they give us the opportunity to buy those specials at hugely discounted rates. You can also earn money when you send in orders. You make at least 25% on every order that you send into the company. So at 25% at a $500 order, you will earn $125. The more you sell, the more you make. So when you send in $1,500 in a 4-week period of time, now you earn 30% instead of 25. And that same $500 order, now you earn $150. And when you submit $2,500 in orders in a 4-week period of time, you make 35%. So again, on that $500 order, now you make $175. How am I going to sell Princess House? Who am I going to sell it to? You're going to start with people that you know that love to cook, that love to entertain. You can also use the internet in whatever platform you want to be able to advertise your products. Very flexible schedule. You can do as much or as little as you want. So yes, you can earn money with Princess House. You also can earn prizes. Right now, as a brand new consultant, when you submit your first $750 in orders by October 3rd, you're going to get 2 prizes, 2 utensil holder, and the second is the paper towel holder. It's a welcome gift. You will also earn $187. When you have $1,500 in orders by October 3rd, there's another gift. This is our cast iron kumal, and you will earn this as a free welcome gift when you have $1,500 in orders. You will also earn $450. Work full-time if you're a full-time mom. If you work part-time, it doesn't matter. You can fit it in wherever you want to fit it in. If you want to buy a kit, we have 6 items in the kit for you. So this is our Vitasana, a 4-quart size. For your prep work, we're going to send you the bamboo cutting board and the 5-inch Santoku blade. The 2-quart Princess House pantry, stainless steel spatula, our 4-in-1 immersion blender, food processor. This one is a masher. We have the blender, we have the whisk, and then it also has the beaker. This entire kit is valued at over $600, and as a new consultant, if you choose to purchase a kit, you can get it for just $199. And there's 2 ways to do it. You can either pay it outright, $199, and you'll get the kit shipped to you right away, or you can still start with $0 down. And then once you send in your first $750 in orders, the company will take your profits to pay your kit, and they will ship you the kit then. Like, you have nothing to lose. It doesn't cost you any money to start. If you love what we have, it's definitely the time to start. Our website is absolutely free. When people purchase from Princess House, it gets shipped directly from the warehouse to the customer's house. Princess House also offers a layaway program, and they will allow the customer to take up to 10 weeks to pay off their order. You still get credit for that order. You get paid on that order. If you're ready to start, you can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and there's a little slot that says start here, and you can start your business right away. You can start for $0 down. This is also my number. You can text me. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions.